using interpolation with the F distribution when working out critical values. Let's say in the ANOVA test we're looking for F317, 3 degrees of freedom along the top, 17 down the side. So we go to the tables, we've got 3 here, so that's fine, but there's no 17 here. So our critical value will lie somewhere in between these two values, because 17 lies somewhere in between these two values. So what we do is we start with the lower of the two values here, so 3.098, and we're going to add something to that value. So the smaller value here is 3.098, and we're going to add something moving towards the 3.287. Now, from 15 to 20, I've listed all the values on a number line. So there are 1, 2, 3 jumps to get to 17. So starting from here, there are 3 jumps out of a possible 5 jumps. So we're going 3/5 of the way from here to here to get to 17, because 17 is what we're looking for. So 3/5 times the difference between these two values. So the larger one, 3.287 minus the smaller one, 3.098. So putting this into the calculator, our critical value is 3.2114, which lies in between these two values as expected. Let's have a look at another example. So with this table, F421, well, there's the 4, so we know that we're in this column, but there's no 21. 21 is in between 20 and 25, so our critical value will be somewhere in between these two values. Now the smaller value out of these two is 2.759. And we're going to add something to it to move from 25 towards 21. We're going to add something. So 20, 21. So starting here with 2.759, we need 1, 2, 3, 4 out of a possible 5 jumps. 4 out of 5. So we're going 4/5 of the way between here and here. So 4/5 times the difference between these two, the larger one minus the smaller one. Again, that goes into the calculator. 2.759 plus 4/5 times 2.866 minus 2.759, so 2.8446. That will be the critical value that we're looking for. And just to check, 2.8446 should be in between these two values, and it is. So when using interpolation, you always start with the smaller value. So we're starting with the 25 on this side, and then you work out a fraction. How far do you want to go between the 25 and the 20 in this case? This fraction, we want to go 4/5 of the way. So we're starting with this 2.759 here, and we want to go 4/5 of the way, and this is the difference between these two values.